Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the top-loading balance on a stable, level surface and away from drafts. This reduces measurement noise. Once powered on, allow the warm-up period to finish, then open the draft shield to access the pan. You place the empty container on the pan and press tare so the display reads 0. This removes container mass. Make sure to note the balance readability, for example 0.001G, because it determines the smallest reliable change you can measure. Now you add your sample carefully, using a clean spatula or funnel and adding material in small increments, because rapid addition causes overshoot. Once done, you can use repeat or hold modes to capture consistent readings. These modes help when values fluctuate. Make sure to close the draft shield and wait for the stability indicator to appear before you record the mass. If the number is still drifting, pause and allow the balance to settle longer to improve accuracy. To finish, remove the sample gently, and if you need another measurement, press tare again to reset to 0. Once you are done, clean the pan and draft shield to prevent contamination, and perform a routine calibration if you observe drift beyond the balance specification. If things go wrong, persistent drift, unstable readings, check the level bubble, confirm the balance sits on a rigid bench, power cycle the instrument, and inspect for drafts or static. Addressing these factors usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.